Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get a portable Notepole video on your PC. Let's get started. First, open a web browser on your PC. In the address bar, type www.portablenotepole.com and press enter. This will take you to the official Portable Notepole website. Next, log in to your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, click sign up to create one. Once logged in, look for the button that says create video or make a message. Click on it. Now choose the type of video you want. You can select a pre-made center video or create a fully personalized video with the child's name, photos, age, and a special message. Enter the child's details and upload a photo if you like. You can also choose send out our background and message tone. Once you finish, click preview to see how the videos look. If everything is okay, click generate video. After a few seconds, your video will be ready. You can then download it to your PC, send it by email, or share it with family and friends. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to get a portable Notepole video on a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.